Hello everyone, it's been a while since I had time to release a tutorial, but I am home from vacation. My plate and schedule is pretty clear, so I figured I'd release this tutorial that's long overdue, and that is the multi-language tutorial on the consumer platform for Squarespace 6. So basically, here it is. Hope you enjoy. I will also have a tutorial on the developer platform for those who are interested. Please let me know. It is much more easier on the developer platform than it is on the consumer platform. Sad to say, but hopefully you guys can follow along. If you have any questions or need help with it, please email me. I know I get a lot of emails a day regarding the multi-language tutorial, and I can only answer so many due to the amount I get. So if I haven't returned your email with the multi-language, I'm sorry, just slipped my mind or something. Hopefully this tutorial will help you out. Alright, so pretty much this site is actually made on the developer platform, but it will still work. I made it work on the consumer, but yeah. Ooh, the style editor is actually here now too. Okay, cool. Alright, so anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to go into my config, and I have 4 pages here. I have like an about page, an example page, an example. I don't know how to do a French accent nor say any French words. And this page is what about, I believe, translates into. So yeah, we'll see. Um, this page will work for every type of collection except for the blog, I believe. I'm actually not 100% sure if it would work or not. You're just gonna have to find out. Even the folder will work. The folder collection type, I'm not even sure if it's a collection type, will work. But let's just get started. So you can actually duplicate pages now. I believe you can duplicate gallery pages, gallery collection, sorry, and that's it as well. I don't think you can duplicate a blog collection that yet. That would be really useful. But for now, that's what we're gonna have to deal with. All right, so once you have these pages here, you actually really want to take a look at the URL here, because this is very important. So let me actually go ahead and just save and publish really quick. I'm going to go to my settings and go to code injection. Now, all you have to do really is just copy and paste this code into your header section, and if you don't have jQuery already installed, make sure you copy this code as well. So basically, you're pretty much just gonna replace what I'm doing here with yours, and you'll see this in a bit. This section here, you do not have to worry about unless your template's navigation ID or class does not equal main-nav. I checked a good amount of the templates, not all of them, and they all had the class main-nav. So if yours does not, please message me if you don't know how to find it yourself, and I'll let you know what your class is. Alright, so here we have a class called .french, and it's being clicked, which is actually right here in the footer. You can see I have a link that has a class called French, and I spelled that wrong. There we go. Let me say that really quick. Okay, and this is what it's basically going to do. It's going to pretty much convert the page into the English page into the French. Alright, so first things first, let's say we want to convert the about page. So I actually want to go into a new tab here and go to the site itself so I can see this. I'm going to use Firebug to get actually the class name, the data-class attribute that basically copies the link here and pastes it here as well, and you'll see why I have to do that in a sec. So basically I want to copy this down. Actually, that's not the one I want. I want to do the about, which is actually my home page, so it's just going to be a slash. Alright, so let's see. So if page equals slash window dot location equals single quotes or double quotes, doesn't matter. And I want to transfer, I want to redirect the user to here, right here. Okay, and now let's just set up the English version of the example page. So it would be /example/. I'm not sure why the extra slash is in there, but yeah, it is there. And window.location equals whatever that says. Oh. All right, so /there. Okay. So let's just save that for now. We'll worry about how to translate the French side to the English side later. It's the same exact process, except it's reversed. So let's go ahead and view the site really quick. Let me refresh. Okay, so I'm on the About page, and I want to translate this. So I'm going to click on French, and there you go. You see, this is the About page for the French section. But now I also want to hide the English navigation, or I could hide the whole navigation for the English on the About page. So what I'm going to do is go into the style mode and go to the CSS. Okay. Make some tabs here, and I'm going to make a quick note saying French hide English nav items or links, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Alright, so I'm going to go to Firebug really quick, and I'll go ahead and start typing out the code. So I am on the translated version of the About page. I'm going to look in the body, and I'm going to grab the collection ID. I'm going to paste it in there, make some brackets, and now I'm going to go ahead and type in main-nav li. Get some more brackets in here. And now I'm basically going to hide the About page while the user is on this French page. So I'm going to type in and brackets data-class, because if we look in the code, where is it? We see data-class equals slash, because that's what the About URL is. And I'm just going to say display none. And there we go. That's all you got to do. Now, what if you want to hide the rest of the English pages? So that's the same exact process, except I'm just going to go ahead and put this here. Oh, there we go. Add a quick comma and pretty much do the same exact thing. This time data-class equals /example. And there we go. Now you would have to do the same thing for the rest of the pages. Like if I go to the exemplary, whatever it's called, and actually, why? What? Hang on a second. That's what I thought. So you'll see here that exemplary, whatever it's called, the example links are not, sorry, the English links are still visible on the example page. So what I'm actually going to do is just get this collection ID's number and go ahead and go back and make a comma, make a little indent here, pound there, and bada bing, bada boom. That's simple. So now let me go ahead and go back into the config code injection in the header section and work on the translating from French to English. Okay, so now it's the same exact thing. So like I said, it's just reverse. So if page, equals, let's say, so it'll just be this. Okay, make a bracket here, and window.location equals the home page, which is just going to be that, which the home page for this site is About. And now same Same thing here. If page equals, this time it's exemple, whatever it's called. No, let's see. Window.location equals slash example. Okay, let's see if that works now. Alright, so let me go ahead and actually refresh this. I might, yep, that's one little bug. Just press space and there we go. You gotta actually clear your cache for some apparent reason. Hopefully Squarespace will fix that soon. Alright, so now I'm on the example page. I'm going to click on English and it's going to go ahead and boom, show the example. Alright, so now we just got to hide all the French links on the English version. So let me go ahead and make some more lines here and say English hide French nav items. Okay, it's the same exact process. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this really. Okay, and now I'm going to simply replace the collection IDs and the URLs. Alright, so here's one, and we will just rename this to example. How do you spell that again? EXEMPLE. There we go. And whatever that says. I should have done English to Italian. And oops. Okay, there we go. Now I just need the about page ID, which actually, since it's the home page, I can just say .homepage. And go to the about. Let me make a little space here. If it will be nice to me. Probably not. Okay. So let me actually go ahead and try to clear my stuff. Okay, maybe not. What happened here? Hang on a second. Body. It is homepage, so I'm not sure why exactly that's not working. Huh. Let me make sure it's working on the example. Yeah, it's working on the example, but for some reason it's not working on the home page. Okay, that's weird, so I'll just refer back to the collection. No biggie. That's weird. Okay, there we go, and boom. Yeah, that is weird. So that's pretty much it. So as you can see, that's how you would create a multi-language site on the consumer platform for Squarespace 6. It's not the prettiest solution. This is actually the same method I used when I had to develop a multi-language site on Squarespace version 5. So if there is a better way on the consumer platform, please share it because a lot of people do want to know. So hopefully you guys learned something here. And like I said before, if you don't know exactly how to do this or you're kind of scared to mess up your site, just go ahead and email me. I'll pop in and go ahead and do it. So that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, so now let me make a quick note, even though this is little common sense here. So let's say I wanted this to say Italian. Now obviously I don't want a class name that says French. I want it to say Italian. Alright, so where French was, I'll actually just replace it with Italian. It's nothing too hard, is it? Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, please contact me if you have any other issues. I do have a new site design in the works right now. But yeah, please contact me. Adios.